Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to make the very delicious and summer drink, an instant summer drink, which we called mango and strawberry mocktail. For this, we need 10 strawberries, chilled strawberries, which I have freezed, some mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of sugar, mango juice, and water. We will blend all these together and let's get started. First of all, we will add water, then mango juice, then 10 strawberries, mint leaves, and a sugar. Now we will blend it. It's done. Now I will pour this mocktail in glass, strawberry and mango mocktail. Look guys, how beautiful it is. I will recommend that you guys should. I recommend you guys to try it at home.